Pappy here. Just wanted to talk to you about something that a lot of guys use every day and don't really think much about it. The zip tie. You can buy these things in a pack of 200, at Harbor Freight. They're like $2, but it's amazing what you can do with these things. Main thing I want to show you today is if you're just starting out and putting together a car and you bought your set of headers and you don't want to burn up your plug wires, you can make your own wire looms out of these things. They actually look pretty neat if you do it right. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to need you to use your imagination. Think of this as spark plug wires. It's a piece of old CATV wire, but it'll suffice. It's the right diameter and everything. Just old plain black wire. And I'm going to show you how to take, if you got 4 plug wires, how you can spread them apart and isolate them from each other and dress it up and make it look kind of nice. You take one zip tie, loop it around all 4 of them loosely. Don't not pull it tight. Just get it to where it clicks, just like that. And then run one in between each wire and use the flange, have them all pointing the same way where it goes together. Like this head, you want them all pointing the same direction. Now this old man is fumbling fingers, just ignore that. I'm 63, so give me a break. But anyway, we got a couple of these out here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, we're going to keep them uniform, so we want to keep them going the same way. I don't quit dropping them. We'll pull this one back around. I'm probably going to speed this up because this has got to be boring watching, but watch an old man fumble. But we'll see. This wire is a lot stiffer than the spark plug wire too, but we'll show you. It'll hold it, I promise you. These things are very strong. Okay, now that they're all headed the same way, we're going to pull them not fully tight, just gradually work them in. Keep everything spread out. And just pull these a little bit tighter each time. Don't get too carried away. Don't pull any of them tight yet. Then what you want to do is pull this outer one. That'll snug things up a little bit. Then you come back to the individuals and pull them fully tight. Just like that. And you try to have them all pointing the same direction. That way they're uniform looking. And then pull that tight. And then you just get your dikes and trim all this mess off so it doesn't look so bad. You can see where I'm going with this. Okay, see, that doesn't look so bad. Now, you come back every few inches, and you can do this all the way down the line. Take a little time. Young guys are probably a lot faster than this old guy, like I said. But slow and steady, I'll get there. Okay, now you look at that and you can see that that's quite uniform looking. If you do this all the way down the line, all the way out to the both ways. You'll have your wires tied up nice and neat, out of the way. They don't get burned, and it doesn't look half bad. I mean, you come back and do your wire looms later, but it is an alternative. This is all I ever use. They've done. I've learned this back when I was racing dirt. It's either you go racing or you have to cut a corner here or there because you got to eat. But anyway, I hope this helps.